Now we solve. If fourth and nth term of a GP are 54 and 13122 respectively, find the GP, also find the general term. So given that fourth term and ninth term, let A be the first term, let A be the first term and R be the common ratio, and R be the common ratio of given GP. Given that fourth term is 54, so we know that nth term Tn is equal to AR to the power n minus 1. Nth term of GP is Tn is equal to A into R to the power n minus 1, where A is first term and R is common ratio and n is number of term here. So fourth term T4 will be equals to A R to the power 4 minus 1, it means 3, or given that this is equals to 54. This is equation number 1. And given that ninth term is 13122, it means T9 will be equals to A R to the power 9 minus 1, it means A R to the power 8 is equals to 13122. Equation number 2. So divide equation number 2, equation 2 upon equation 1. Then you find A R to the power 8 upon A R cube is equal to 13122 divided by 54, or R to the power 5 will also be equals to 243, or will be equals to 3 to the power 5. So R is equals to 3. Now we find first term of this series. Now on putting the value of R in equation number 1, then we find A into 3 to the power 3 will be equals to 54, or 27A is equals to 54, so A will be equals to 2. It means first term is 2 here and common ratio is 3. We want to find here series, so we know that series is AR is square and so on. So A is 2, so 2 into AR, 2 into 3 6, 2 into 3 square 9 into 2, this is 18 and so on. This is series whose first term is A and common ratio is R. And nth term of the series Tn is equals to A is 2 into R 3 to the power n minus 1. This is nth term of the series. So if you put n is equal to 1 here, then we find 2. If you put n is equal to 2, you find 6. If you put n is equal to 3, then you find 18. So this is nth term of this series. And series is 2, 6, 18 and so on. Now we solve next problem. If the first and the nth term of a GP are A and B respectively, and P is the product of first n term, then prove that P square is equal to AB to the power n. So given that first term is A and nth term of the series Tn is equals to B. But we know that nth term of GP is AR to the power n minus 1, or this is B. So R will be equals to B upon A to the power 1 upon n minus 1. Because given that P is the product of first n term of the series, so P is equal to A into AR into AR square into AR cube into and so on into A r to the power n minus 1. So P will be equals to A to the power n into r to the power 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n minus 1. Or P will be equals to A to the power n into r to the power, we know that 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on plus n minus 1 will be equals to n into n minus 1 by 2, because this is in AP and we know sum of AP in this case is n into n minus 1 by 2. So P square will be equals to A to the power 2n into r to the power n into n minus 1 by 2 into 2, or this cancel by this. Now on putting the value of r here, so P square is equal to A to the power 2n into B upon A to the power 1 upon n minus 1 to the power n into n minus 1. So n minus 1 cancel by n minus 1. So P square will be equals to A to the power 2n into B to the power n upon A to the power n, or will be equals to A to the power n into B to the power n, or will be A B to the power n. So P square is equal to A B to the power n, hence proved. Now we solve next problem. If ABC are in AP, BCD are in GP, and 1 upon A, 1 upon D, 1 upon E are in AP, then prove that ACE are in GP. So given that ABC are in AP, so second minus first will be equal to third minus second, or we find 2B is equals to A plus C. Again given that BCD are in GP, it means C square is equal to BD. We know that if BCD are in GP, then C upon B is equal to D upon C. It means common ratio is equal. So C square will be equal to BD if BCD are in GP. And given that 1 upon C, 1 upon D, 1 upon E are in AP, it means 2 upon D will be equal to 1 upon C plus 1 upon E. This is equation number 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Or we find 2 upon D is equal to CE is LCM here, then you find CE plus C, or D will be equal to 2CE upon E plus C. Now on putting the value of D and B in second equation, C square is equal to BD. So C square will be equal to value of B from first equation is A plus C by 2, and value of D is 2CE upon C plus E. It means E plus C. This 2 cancel by 2, C cancel its square, or we find E plus C into C is equal to E into A plus C, or EC plus C square is equal to EA plus EC, and EC cancel by EC, it means C square is equal to AE. Because C square is equal to AE, this so that ACE are in GP. ACE are in GP. So ACER in GP here.